Good morning! Ngayon ay magsusolve tayo ng logarithmic equations. Let's solve first properties ng logarithmic equations. If b is greater than 0, then the logarithmic function f of x is equal to logarithm of x to the base b is increasing for all x. Next is if b is greater than 0 but less than 1, then the logarithmic function f of x is equal to logarithm of x to the base p is decreasing for all x. This means that logarithm of u to the base p is equal to logarithm of v to the base b if and only if u is equal to b. So we have techniques or strategies in solving logarithmic equations. So yung una, pwede nating isulat into exponential form. Second, pwede tayong gumamit ng logarithmic properties. We can also apply one-to-one property of logarithmic functions, or if logarithm of u to the base p is equal to logarithm of v to the base p, parehas sila ng base, then u is equal to b. Next is the zero factor property. If a, b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. We should also take into consideration the domain of logarithmic expressions. So yung domain ng ating logarithmic expressions is the set of all positive real numbers. So let us now solve the logarithmic equation. Logarithm of 4 to the base 2 is equal to logarithm of x to the base 2. So for our solution, since kung makikita ninyo, pareha ang ating base, then we can apply one-to-one property. Therefore, 4 is equal to x. Therefore, our x is equal to 4. Next, we have logarithm of x plus 3 to the base 5 is equal to logarithm of 22 to the base 5. So for our solution, kung mapapansin, equal uli ang ating base, then we can also apply one-to-one property. So ibababa lamang natin ito at ito. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 22. Pagsamahin lamang natin ang magkakaparehang term, ilipat ang 3 sa kabila. We have x is equal to 22 minus 3, and then simplify. We have x is equal to 19. Next example, we have logarithm of x plus 3 to the base 3 is equal to 2. Solution. Para dito sa part na ito, pwede nating i-rewrite as exponential form. So we have x plus 3 is equal to 3 squared. Pag nare-write na natin sa exponential form. Simplify natin ito. We have x plus 3 is equal to 9. Then pagsamahin na magkakaparehang term, we have x is equal to 9 minus 3. Therefore, our x is equal to 6. Another example, we have logarithm of 9x to the base 3 minus logarithm of x minus 8 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So, kung mapapansin, pareha ang base at subtraction ng involved. So, for our solution, pwede natin gamitan ng quotient rule. So, pag ginamitan natin ng quotient rule, we have logarithm of 9x over x minus 8 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Then, we can rewrite this into exponential form as 9x all over x minus 8 is equal to 3 raised to 4. So, simplify natin itong part na ito and multiply both sides by x minus 8. Then, ito ay makakancel. We have 9x is equal to 81. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81 times x minus 8. Then by distributive property, we have 9x is equal to 81x. Itong 81 times x. And 81 times negative 8 is equal to negative 648. Pagsamahin natin yung magkakaparehang term, we have 9x minus 81x is equal to negative 648. Simplify this part. We have negative 72x is equal to negative 648. Dividing both sides by negative 72, we have x is equal to 9.